Oh, Colorado, how we love you.
I'm gonna try the other one.
We're soaking in the old hot tub. Grace is gonna go check. This one is 107 degrees. It's pretty ridiculous. But then when you consider the snow you have to walk through to get to it, it's probably not that bad. What do you think? It is incredible. And the snow is just coming down.
Swimsuits for the 107-degree day.
Yeah, so we have had, like, you know, I mean, it's swimsuits or winter jackets, boots, sandals. You just never know what you're going to get into, but we're having a blast. So stay with us. It's beautiful. I'll get some footage of the snow, and it is just coming down. So see y'all a little later. As we landed in Ouray, we decided to stay at the Box Canyon Lodge in Hot Springs. They offered 4 natural spring hot tubs, laundry, and a great room with a kitchen so we could continue to cook our meals. It was wonderful to stay there, and the views just outside of our room were spectacular. Good morning, all my friends. It is Tuesday morning. We got a lot of great rest last night in the hotel, soaked in the hot tub. It's great. Getting a little restless though. Been on the road for a few days, and man, we were just loving that. So we had to get out this morning, go for a little drive. And so we started back up 550 north towards Montrose, and I remembered I wanted to kind of see Telluride. So I think, you know, it'd be kind of nice to see some snow and some mountains. So I remembered Last Dollar Road. I'd done a little research on that, and we were out doing that this morning. And this snow and these mountains, oh my word, they are gorgeous. We met another couple on the trail this morning. They're from Ohio. They're out venturing this morning. I'm still spitting a little snow. And we were probably halfway, maybe a little more than halfway down this road trail. And we were just blown away. I'm sure that the views are absolutely stunning without all the snow, but boy, doesn't the snow make it look absolutely gorgeous. I don't think that we got quite the snow that they had called for. However, we did enjoy watching it snow here in Colorado. And I think the plan for today is just to finish this. We're going to go down and Telluride, explore a little bit, maybe grab a little lunch there, and then head back up towards Ouray and just enjoy the day there, maybe soak in the hot tub. All the laundry's done for the next few days. And then tomorrow we are headed out, and we're going to head back east across Colorado and start working our way towards home. But yeah, just wanted to share this morning where we're at, what we're up to. It is absolutely stunning out here. Thanks for coming along with us. Okay, we made it into Telluride, and we're on the, I think it's a gondola? Gondola. There, I think that's how it's pronounced. Anyways, can't really see it, but the mountains are absolutely amazing. And we're traveling all the way up. And, I mean, the mountain views are just spectacular. This is really cool because it's free. So they take you from Telluride all the way up to, like, a mountain view village. And it's tons of fun. So there's a couple stops along the way. So we might see if we can find something to eat up here for lunch because it is lunchtime. We're getting a giggle out of Michelle because she's not doing well with this. So we're hoping we can make her down.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Just look how high we are. That is so...
Michelle, are you enjoying the ride?
Yes.
On the gondola?
Yes, it's pretty.
It's pretty, but what are you, I mean, are you having troubles?
Yeah, this is scary.
It's because every time we go up and over a bump, you're screaming at the top of your lungs. Why are you doing that? You made a beeline from the truck down here because you wanted to do this so bad. And then every time we get up on one of these little posts right here, we go up and over it, you do a little yelping.
No.
Didn't yelp that time.
Because I can see the ground now.
Oh, is that what it is? You can see the ground back there. We never lost sight of the ground the whole ride. Somebody's yelping every time we go over a bump.
Oh my gosh.
When we arrived back in Ouray later in the afternoon, we decided to visit the Box Canyon Falls. The falls is a culmination of Canyon Creek narrowing and spilling thousands of gallons a minute of water over the falls. It is truly a dramatic scene and one that you can enjoy from both above and below the falls. At this most spectacular geological formation, the 85-foot waterfall plummets into a narrow canyon with walls overhanging the falls by nearly 100 feet. The Box Canyon Visitor Center offers interpretive exhibits that describe the geology, wildlife, and history of this area.